Guys, so today I'm gonna talk you through this Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollutant Foundation. I'm on the shade 02, which is NC30 on MAC. So this foundation range is not so high in consistency, it is not so liquidy, and it blends beautifully to my skin, giving it a very light texture, not at all cakey enough. So it's summers and you don't want to feel less hydrated, so this particular foundation gives you much hydration. It is very good in consistency. It's anti-pollutant, having biosaccharide gum 4 and Enanthea chlorantha for preventing your skin from any other damages, as well as making your skin very much intact and glowy. So using a foundation brush is highly recommended, but if you use a beauty blender, a sponge, it is not that difficult to blend. But I would also recommend you that if you use the beauty blenders, do smudge it and do soak it in for 5 minutes before you use. Guys, it beautifully blends into your skin and it has this essential oils in it that gives you efficient oil control formula. It is also helpful in hydrating your skin and providing a luxurious and matte natural finish. It is in medium to full coverage, and I'm also using a beauty blender to pat it down and soak, because I'm not using any other concealers for any other use. I'm just using the foundation so that I can easily predict how the foundation is and how it is working in my skin. Now using the Fit Me setting powder in the shade 20 light medium, I would just set down my skin, my foundation, because it is highly recommended to set it down before you step out of the house, because it's very sunny and very hot, so you don't need that extra grease and moisture to your skin, right? So now I'm gonna use this blush by Fit Me and gonna just enlighten my cheeks, and here I go. For the lipstick, I am using the Nykaa shade. It is a paint stick lipstick. I've already using it since a while and I'm just loving the shade. So guys, this is the shade 02 by Nykaa paint stick lipstick. So if you're wondering, I haven't told you the lip shade, so here I go. So guys, that's it. My skin looks flawless and I'm just in love with this foundation.